In this demo, I show dynamic topology update by LLDP. In static configuration, from talker to listener, this blue link, it's pre-configured. So talker is connected to bridge 1 P3, listener connected to bridge 2 P1, and P1 and P3, bridge P1, bridge 2 P3 is connected. So the link path becomes this blue line. And when listener, for example, listener changed from P1 to P2 of bridge 2, then static configuration need to be changed. Program need to restart. But using LLDP dynamically monitoring what is connected and looking at LLDP data, CNC can dynamic update link. Now I'm showing this connection. It's talker running this movie data and the listener is connected. So this blue line connection is established already. Now once it stops, then I change the connection from P1 to P2. So I change from P1 to P2. Okay, I changed. And so it's become this path. And I don't change any configuration and just try to reconnect. Let me try that one. Open our software. That one. And now it's disconnected status. I go to connect. And then it becomes connected start, and talker starts running, and the listener also starts running. Okay, so now movie started again. So this is done by no change of configuration. Just I change the port. LLDP is automatically detected. The port is changed, and that detected data go to CNC, and then CNC change the link from this path to P3 to P2 path. That's why talker data can go P3 to P2 and red line and come to the listener. That is done by CNC plus LLDP.